guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Amanda. I am an environmental scientist, a third-generation farmer, and a mother to a beautiful little girl. So today we're going to be cash stuffing $335. So we're going to start off with my wallet. Now, this is money that I was supposed to be taking back to the bank, so I don't have the correct denominations that I would need to make it not be so many ones. But we're going to use it, and rather than taking it back to the bank and then making a withdrawal. So groceries is going to get $35, and I'm going to use a whole bunch of ones. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Actually, we'll just do it this way. That should be 35. This is crazy. I'm not sure why I had all these ones anyway. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $158 in groceries. And I do need to make a grocery run. So then we are adding $50 to gas. So I just got gas. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. And that is all that is going into my wallet. So the rest of this money will be going into my daughter's binders. Ooh. So this is her private school binder. Registration will be getting $25. They actually opened up early registration for her school. So we have $50, $70, $85. Tuition will be getting 120, 40, 60, 85, 85, 95, 100. So that was 15. And then we're going to add another. There we go, 100. So 115 was added here. So we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 90, 200. So we've got $200 in her tuition envelope. Her buffer, I have been, okay, sorry about that. I got a call. So my buffer, I've been putting prop money in here. So I just went and got a little bit because I just moved this money directly to my savings account. So we added $20 in prop money. We have 150, 70, 90, $200 in buffer. And this buffer, I'm trying to save up for next year's tuition. So that's what that envelope is for. So next, I will be cash stuffing my daughter's binder. So this birthday envelope, why do I never have my pen, my marker with me? Hold on one second. Okay, we're back. So for her birthday envelope, let's do $9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So her birthday is coming up, and I have been wanting to get together with one of her friends to go on a trip to the beach. We're thinking Clearwater Beach, but we can't get it together, so I don't think it's going to happen. But she just wants to be with her friends. So, and her birthday is actually during their spring break, so she wants to have a party. But I'm like, people are on spring break, they're not trying to show to your birthday on spring break. So I told her, let's go to the beach or plan something with her close friends. So birthday now is 20, 40, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73. So she is 73 in her birthday envelope. And this is from Cloudy Money. It's so cute. So we have, I might come back to this one. So books is going to get $5. Oh, I guess I should count that. And it has $9 in here now. We like to go to Barnes & Nobles and just pick out some book. Barnes & Noble? Did I say Nobles? I think Barnes & Noble. I don't know why I have a habit of putting S's on the end of things. So I have another birthday envelope, and I'm going to add 25 in this one. Let's add 30 since I have all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 125, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 130 in this birthday envelope. And miscellaneous is going to get nothing. So we'll leave this. I also keep in this miscellaneous envelope the alphabet challenge, like the letters that I found, J, K, L, M, N. So I've been keeping them in here because I was going through and doing the ABC challenges, but then I stopped doing those. Okay, so I went through and made change for all those ones that I had and got a $20 bill. And the last binder we're going to be stuffing is our self-care binder. I don't know why I say our, like it's yours and mine. So makeup is going to get $5. So makeup has 155, 6, 7, number 157. Beauty is going to get 5. I actually do need to go buy some new nails. So beauty has 50, 75, 80. Spa is going to get 25. So spa has 100, 200, 300, 25, 30. Wait. So spa has 100, 200, 300, 25, 30, 35. I don't know why that messed me up. 335. And I've decided that every time, so this money comes from Poshmark. I actually have some more money, about $300 more. It was around $700 that I made last month between Poshmark and eBay. So I decided to break it up into 2 videos so that I can post 1 video a week. But I'm not sure what the point of me telling that story was, but there it was. The doctor was like, oh, are you experiencing more mental clarity? Absolutely not, doc. So for spa, we're going to add this last $30. Not spa, April. All right, it's time to wrap this up. So now April has $20, $40, $60, $70. And I will mark this off camera because I don't want to go find the marker. But thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you made it to the end, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed below. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.